Hi, today let's make super easy egg drop curry which is just done in 15 minutes. In a kadai, add in oil. Once oil is heated, add in cumin seeds and let it splutter or let the aroma enhance in the oil. Then I'm adding in some chopped onions and mix it really very well till it's slightly pink and slightly brown. Next, I'm adding in chopped tomatoes. Along with the tomatoes, I'm adding in ginger garlic paste as well because I like to roast it completely because the more you saute it really very well, the more flavor of the curry will enhance. Now the tomatoes has turned mushy. I'm adding in salt to taste, turmeric powder. Next, I'm adding in Kashmiri chili powder. If you like it spicy, you can add in the other chili powder as well. I'm adding in coriander powder, cumin powder, and garam masala. And then you need to mix all these masalas really very well. The more you roast the masalas, the more flavor it enhances. The oil needs to separate. Till then, you need to keep on roasting. Very basic spices, no fancy spices. Yet you can make very simple, very flavorful dishes very quickly. And then now the oil is separated. I've added in fried kasuri methi crushed. Next, I'm adding in some hot water and then give it a good mix because we need this semi gravy consistency. Give this mix. Now I'm adding in some coriander leaves before the gravy boils because it enhances the flavor of the gravy as well. Combine all of this really very well and slowly next you can start dropping your eggs. Here I'm adding in 4 eggs. You can adjust it as per your consistency. If you want, you can add it more. Once you drop it, just add and sprinkle in some chopped coriander leaves and cover it with the lid for around 8 minutes. And if you like it more raw or the gooey kind, you can, it's completely up to you. I like it completely done. Finally, you can enjoy your tasty egg drop curry with some hot rice, chapati, naan, or for your tiffin lunch box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.